Hello friends, today I have come to visit the Rishikesh and we can see the view here. It is really as amazing as I had here. So I have no words how to describe it in my own words. So I came here from the Badrinath. I took the bus from Badrinath bus stop and I came here at Rishikesh bus stop. So let's see, this is the bus stop of Rishikesh. Because of the ISBT Rishikesh has a stand located on the Adarsh Gram area of Rishikesh. The buses for holy regions of the Uttarakhand, Char Dham Yatra and places like Delhi and Dehradun are available from Rishikesh. So interstate bus terminal ISBT similar to the Dehradun Rishikesh too has two bus stand, one for the plains and another one for the holy regions, and both the bus stand located just adjacent to the each others. So we can see right now I just came from the Badrinath and right now I am at ISBT bus stand in Rishikesh. So and from here I will go to railway station by the way on the through the road to take my train for Haridwar, because I am not planning to visit the Rishikesh holy places, because even some places is so popular in Rishikesh because this is known as the international yoga center and yoga capital of the world in Rishikesh, because we can see it's really looking so amazing and so unique, because which is surrounded by the hills we can see. And Rishikesh, which is also popular for Ganga Aarti, and lots of temples is there and lots of things is there, Lakshman Jhula, Lam Jhula, along with so many places are there. So I am just moving from here. We can get every buses from here. Even we can get the bus from here for Haridwar also from ISBT Rishikesh. But I am going to take the train because the railway station Rishikesh is also located only 1 kilometer from here. So right now I just started from this way to go to the Rishikesh station, and even there are two railway stations located in Rishikesh. First one is the Rishikesh and second one is the Yog Nagri Rishikesh railway station. So I think mostly trains are coming to the Yog Nagri Rishikesh railway station compared to the Rishikesh station, but I am going Rishikesh station because now in this time the railway time is coming very soon for Rishikesh for Haridwar. So I will go to take my train from the Rishikesh station for Haridwar. So from this way I am going, because still I am going here from the lots of lanes is there. So I am going through the inside the colonies, and so many colonies I have to pass for to reach the Rishikesh railway station. So let's see, this is the view of the Rishikesh from inside the colony where I am crossing right now. So yeah, it is a very good city I found also, which is located in very close to Haridwar. The distance of Rishikesh to Haridwar is 22 kilometer I think. So it is not much distance. Even we can get the buses for Kedarnath and Badrinath from Rishikesh also, but I think it is good to take the bus according to my idea from Haridwar for Kedarnath and Badrinath via Sonprayag and Rudraprayag. So it is very best place. So still I am going. I think I will reach a station very soon, just in within the 5 minutes. I am just close to the railway station right now. I am just crossing the colony by walk only, because I like to explore. So that's reason I am going by walk only to explore the city, and I will explore the city later in Rishikesh, because in this time I am not planning to visit and explore the Rishikesh holy places and temples whatever is there. One of the Paramath ashram is so popular here, so it's also a very good place. So I am going to explain about the Rishikesh railway station. I just reached to the Rishikesh railway station. This is the view of the Rishikesh railway station. So Rishikesh railway station, which code is RKSH, is a small railway station which connects to a branch line from Haridwar railway station. There are few trains operates from Rishikesh railway station, and it operates under the Muradabad division of the Northern Indian Railway zones. And Yog Nagri Rishikesh is the another railway station in Rishikesh, which is located near the THDC colony in Rishikesh. And This railway station has also 3 platforms and the provide basic amenities like waiting rooms and the refreshment stalls. So this station is a gateway to the spiritual city of Rishikesh, known for its yoga ashrams, temples and the holy rivers Ganges, which is available here. So I came here and I will take my train for Haridwar because my train timing is 7 p.m. So I have to wait for few hours here at the station to take the train. And from Haridwar I will visit some places like Har Ki Pauri, Mansa Devi Temple and Daksh Temple, along with some places also in Haridwar. Ganga Temple is also there, so I will visit in Haridwar. So this is my experience, and even I got a very good experience here over here in all over the Uttarakhand because I explored the Sonprayag, Devprayag, Rudraprayag, Karnaprayag. I have seen while I was going on tour from Kedarnath to Rishikesh, Badrinath and Badrinath to Rishikesh and Haridwar. Even I have to also visit one place. Maybe I hope everyone is to know. So I just came inside the railway station first, and let's see. This is the ticket counter where we can take the ticket counter. I am on the platform number 1. So my train is also waiting here. In this time, the timing is 17:35. So still I have some time. So I will take. So my train will start from here for Haridwar, and I will take this train from here. So I just took my train and my train is running right now, and I am crossing the Rishikesh and I am going from Rishikesh to Haridwar. So I think in half an hour I reach to the Haridwar station from Rishikesh. So it's really wonder journey which I am doing today also, and we can see the view of the Rishikesh from Rishikesh to Haridwar via railway route. So it's all over my experience here in Haridwar and Rishikesh which got. Still I have to visit one place also nearby Nainital. I hope one know very well Kanchi Dham, because Kanchi Dham is also one of the best place, tourist place and holy place nowadays, which temple is dedicated to Lord Hanuman. So I have to visit because it is also popular. Kanchi Dham is one of the Dham of India also, which is popular nowadays nearby Nainital, where I will visit. That is popular for dedicated to the Neem Karoli Baba, who spent their life there in Kanchi Dham. So I will go and learn lots of things regarding the Kanchi Dham temple and Neem Karoli Baba, because Mark Zuckerberg and the founder of Apple who also visit the Neem Karoli Baba. So that's the reason I will go to explore. So this is my all experience about the Rishikesh and Haridwar, and already I visit Mana village, Badrinath, Kedarnath, and still I am going to visit Haridwar, the Har Ki Pauri. I will take the sacred deep also. So Har Har Shiv Shankar, Jai Bholenath.